God is telling whoever is reading this today that you have something powerful inside of you. As you learn more about your genuine potential, unleash that power. You can be unsure of your true identity. The universe will assist you in the following days and lay out everything you used to love, be enthusiastic about, or even bring back childhood memories that make you feel youthful and excited. Remember that God created you just as you are. Nothing is missing from you. You have more blessings than you can count on. God may disrupted things that were no longer serving you or even preventing you from achieving your goals because He knew that His plan would make you bigger this year. Have trust that everything is arranging itself to serve you. Whatever you refer to it as the divine, the universe, the heavenly realm, or whatever it is you called, is working for your best interests. Even if it appears impossible, never give up. Just accept your talent. God is going to show you in the upcoming days that you actually do have something within of you can help you move toward your purpose. Recognize that you are the center of your own universe and that you are creating a world that has never existed before. You are creating a new reality. Your life is about to change, so get prepared for it. A transformation for the better of not only you, but also everyone close to you.